Welcome to ItzRafiq. Here is one question from MySQL. I think question is create a table worker in a database and database name organization. Enter the record given in the table below and write the command for to do the following. Here we have to create a database which name is organization, and inside the organization database we have to create a table which name will be worker. So first let us create the database. For that we will open MySQL server. MySQL by default didn't come with Windows 7 or 10. You have to install it. Even you can install MySQL in mobile by using Termux app. I have already added the steps. You can follow the step and install MySQL there. And there you can use MySQL as a computer without any ads. After that you will type the password of your server. Oops, I think my password is wrong. Let's try it again. And remember, when you type a wrong password in MySQL server, the login screen will automatically exit. Now also wrong. Okay. Now it's login successfully because I have entered correct password, which is 123. That also I forgot. That's why while you are installing MySQL server, keep a very easy password because you are just using it for practicing, not for any website. Now we have to create a database. For that our command is create database organization. Now remember, while you are working in your school computer, if one student already created a database with name organization, then again you will not able to create it. Okay, you have to give a different name because database name should be unique. Now we'll press the enter key. After that we'll get error, cannot create database organization, database exists, means we already have this database. That is the problem. Let's see what databases are available. So databases, here we have this database: employee, club mart, MySQL, organization, performance, practice. So first let's remove the organization database. Drop database organization. Okay, database removed. Now we will create the database. Create database organization. Now it will come query. Okay, that means database successfully created. Now we have to select the database. For that we'll write the command as use organization. Database change, that means our database successfully created. Now we will go to the question and check what column we have. Worker ID, here we have only number, that means integer. First name, there are names, so worker. Last name also it will be worker. Salary will be integer. Joining date will be date and department will be worker. So let us create the table. Create table worker, worker, then bracket. We'll go to the next line, or we can continue in same line also. First worker ID, worker ID. This one will keep as integer. and we can set it as a primary key. After that, first name will keep as worker, size let it be 10, comma, last name worker, size let it 10, and after that what column, let's see, we have salary, joining date, department. Salary will keep as integer, joining date will keep as date, then department we will keep as worker, and size as 15. We can give any size, but remember, if we are giving size as 10, then we cannot enter more than 10 characters on that particular field, so we have to remember it. Now we have to close this starting bracket on worker. What bracket we have started, that one we have to close also. So here we will close the bracket, then semicolon. Now some student, what they do, while they are writing the command, they also write the arrow marks. You don't have to write the arrow marks while you are writing in copy, just you will write these answers. I am showing in notepad. For this question, first your command will be for creating create database organization. Then you have to select the database, for that use organization. After that you have to create a table. For creating table, this command, and these arrow marks are not required. Okay, as I have directly copied from the client, so arrow marks also appeared here, but I am removing them right now. In answer you will write only this part. Now let's go to the question again. First we have to enter the data also. First one, 01 Rebecca, dongle 40,000, and let's do it. Now we have to insert the record. For that our command is insert into worker, let it be full screen, worker values. Then inside bracket, first we'll write worker ID, let it be 001, or what we have, let's see, 001. Then Rebecca, then dongle, or we can give thus SMS name, then joining date 2014. I am just giving any date because if I am going to check from there, it will take a bit time, so I am just putting any date here, and department is HR, so we'll write here HR. So this is the command to just enter one record in the table. I will also show you how we can enter multiple record at same time, but first let it enter first line. So here our server table creation is successful because here query OK command. Now we will paste the command which we have already copied from notepad. Insert into worker values. Worker is the name of the table. Okay, enter. Error, column count does not match. Oh, salary is missing. After the last name there was salary also 40,000, that I have not written. Okay, now it will accept the value. Now remember, when we are getting error result like this, then again we have to write the complete command, not directly from the salary. Okay, like I am again writing insert into from there only. Now it's query OK, that means one row affected. Now let's see whether my information is entered or not. Select star from worker. So it's entered. Here 001, that it cannot be displayed 001 in integers. We have to also if we have to display also the 00, then we can keep this field as character. Then we can write this way. Okay. Otherwise we cannot write the 0 before the numbers. Now we will go to the next record. It is Zahnavi Borthakur 68,000, then admin department. Now here we can just, in place of id 001, we'll write it 2, and Jahanabi, then Borthakur, and 68,000, and that just will keep some other date, and the department was admin. Now if I want to enter two record together, then what happen, instead of semicolon we'll give same comma, then bracket on, we'll give the id 003, and we'll give the name. Let's see the name. The name is Digvijay Goswami 50,000, and department HR. So we'll write the name Digvijay, then title Goswami, then first name and second last name done. Then the salary, I think it was 50,000, and integer we no need to give double inverted comma, and no need to give comma also. So normally when we write in paper we give for large number comma, but here we don't have to put it, otherwise it will treat it as a different value. And also the date, let's give the date ourselves 2014, then month, let it be 12 month, and date 23, and the department was HR. Then bracket close, and when all the record will be finished, then we'll give semicolon. If you have to add another record, then comma, again bracket on, and you will do like that. Suppose I want to just complete it in two records, then bracket close and semicolon, enter. Now we'll go to the server. So two records done. Let's see what are the records. Now at present we have three records. Now we'll go to the question. The first question, display worker ID and joining date of admin department. Worker ID and joining date. So we'll write select worker ID. As my MySQL is case sensitive, not case sensitive, so we can write even small letter, it does not matter. Worker ID, joining date, from, then the table name, which is worker, then where, because we need only admin department, that's why where department equal admin. It was admin or HR. Let's see the question again. Admin department, so department equal admin. Then we should display the record of Zahnavi Barthakur. Let's see what comes. First we'll copy it, because we also have to write it for you in Notepad. Error, unknown column worker ID. Oh, spelling is wrong. You have to be careful while you are typing the spelling. If your spelling is wrong, then it will not work. So now coming worker ID and joining date of Jahnavi, because her department is admin. So the question A's answer will be this one. Question A answer is this one. Here. Now we'll go to the question. Now we will do the question number B. In B, we have to display the record in the ascending order of salary. For that, we will write the command this way. Select star, star means I am selecting all the columns from worker order by salary ASC. So this command we will write to display the salary in ascending order. So let execute the query. So you can see now who have the less salary, that person is at top, and who have the highest salary, that person is at bottom. That means we have ordered them in ascending order. Now let's see question number C. Display the record having salary in range of 50,000 to 90,000. Here we will use between command. So the query will be like this way. Number C, select star from worker date birth is same. Here let's see the question. Display the records. That means we have to display all the information. So select star from worker. Here where salary between 50,000 and the last number is 90,000 and semicolon. So this query will display the record whose salary is between 50,000 to 90,000. Let's see the result. So we are getting two records, and Rebecca, she was getting only 40,000, so her record was skipped. Now we'll go to the question number D. Display the record of person whose first name start with A. At present we don't, and I don't enter. Oh, sorry, and display the record of person whose first name ends with A. Means A re jitu khotom hoy ase. For that we'll write number D. The first part is same only, so we are not writing, we are just copying from here. Here I am comparing the strings, so where name, first name, then like command, after it within inverted comma we will write percentage, that means any number of characters, after that A inverted comma close, then semicolon. Now let's copy the command to the server and execute it. So here we are getting the displays record as Rebecca because her name end with A. Now let's go to the question number 6. The worker is given bonus as 1% of the salary. Display the first name, last name and bonus. Means we have to give 1% bonus to all the employees. For that we have to use arithmetic operators. Now again we have to display the first name and last name also to the of the employees. Let's see the question again. We have to display first name, last name and bonus, and the bonus is only 1%. So let's go here. Numbering I gave wrong, it should be 1 2 3. Now number 5, first we will write select, then first name, comma, last name, comma. Here we will do the calculation salary into, we will write 0.01 because 1%, that's why 0.1. Then as within single inverted comma bonus, This is question 6. BONUS. Then semicolon. Now, after that little more, from the table name is worker. Now go to the server and execute the query. You can see here Rebecca is getting 400 rupees, Zahabi 680 and Digvijay 500 rupees as a bonus. Now let's see the question number 5. Display the records of HR and account department. Account department I have not entered, only in the table. Still, let's see how we have to do it. Number 5 we will do select star from worker where department in, and in bracket we will write HR and account, and bracket close, semicolon. And there is another method also to do this answer. I will show you. First let's see the query whether output we get or not. So here getting only HR because account department I have not entered only. And there is one more method to do this one. It will be like that. Select start from worker where department equal HR or department equal account. So this way also we can write, or we can write this query by using in command also. So whatever is your favorite, that one you can use it. We'll get same answer. Now we will move to the question number 7. Display the sum, maximum, minimum and average salary. For that, here we will write select sum, then bracket salary, again comma, max salary, again comma, min salary, again comma, average salary, then from worker. So this query is to display the sum, max and minimum salary of the worker. Here sum means addition of all the salary. I think average one we have to write the short form. So these are their salaries: sum, maximum, minimum and average. Now this answer is this way. Number 7. For average we will write the short form, not the complete word. Now we will move to the question number 8. Display the count of record where department HR. Count of record means in HR how many employees we have to select that. For that we will write the query as number 8, select count. Here we are counting department, or count star from worker where department equal HR. At present we have only 2 HR employees, so output should be 2. Let's see. So the output is 2 because we have only 2 department employees. So this way you can do the practical of MySQL, and while you are writing the queries you can write it in Notepad, because if you are going to type in here command line, if you do a simple mistake, again you have to do everything from beginning. So I'll suggest do write the command in Notepad, copy from there and paste it here. It will be much easier to do. Thank you for watching. See you in a new video. Till then, take care and bye.